stumbling out of bed.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Joby here. If you are returning subscribers, thank you so much. I'm so grateful and thankful you are here. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Joby. I'm a mom to two beautiful girls. I upload cleaning, organization, motherhood, and lifestyle videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow along with us. In today's video, we are going to deep clean our master's bedroom, guys. I took out the bedsheet already, and also I have not to wash the cover of our comforter because I washed the other day, so only the bedsheet and the pillowcases, guys, that I have to change. And we also have to wipe down everything, guys, even the cupboard and the door of our bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of videos. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the music too, guys, and clean along with me if you would like to. At the end of the video, we have clothes to fold, guys.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
Out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love. Crazy for love, crazy for
darling wants to watch TV, so I turned it on, guys. I hope this video gives you motivation and inspiration to tackle the things that you need to do.
When you drove me down to that lake, felt so good staying up all night. That will forever be our place.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. See you again in a couple of days with a brand new video. Bye!
Sweet home, if I could